Nigeria, jaga, jaga. Everything scatter, scatter. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? All right, I'm back again with the secret strategy of Idris Abdulkareem. And if you're seeing this man on this picture, some of now where they under 18, I don't really know this man where they for this picture. So he named that Idris Abdulkareem. This is the man that paved way for the likes of Two-Face in Libya, paved way for the likes of the Banch, Don Jazzy, Whiskey and the video one that they get today. So now this man I start Afro pop for Nigeria, alright? His name is Idris Abdulkareem, all the way from Kano State. Now Hausa guy but he grew up from Lagos, so he even speak Yoruba as he say him be money. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about Idris Abdulkareem. When you talk about one of the successful musicians in this country, let's talk about Idris Abdulkareem. Understand? Financial wise, influence wise, he don't make impact, alright? Only the fact say he follow for people who started Afro pop for Nigeria is successful. Ladies and gentlemen, before these guys came in with his crew, that is Idris Abdulkareem, Toyin Tetula, and Eddie Montana, which is Eddie Remedy. The music website that they play those days now, Afro now those days. But when these guys came in, they infused hip hop inside Afro. Now maybe they call them Afro pop today. Alright? Idris Abdulkareem, now one of the successful musicians we get. He started with Kenny's music. Now his first record label decided when he said play contest. Kenny's music. Even when they broke up from Remedy, he was still signed under Kenny's music. Alright? And for them he released that song, he said, Nigeria, jaga, jaga, everything scatter, scatter. Poor man, they suffer, koza, gunshot near the air, alright? Don't do several hit songs, uncountable hit songs. Even him, I'm not sure if he counts the hit song when he says you don't do several hits. You don't go to show abroad, you don't collect awards, you don't collect several nominations, you don't do adverts, you don't get endorsement. Idris Abdulkareem is successful. When we can talk about his modules, Idris Abdulkareem, one of the Nigerian artists, we say they know and say he's stubborn very well. They know him. He's stubborn very well. Now, he be that man, the person in 50%. They just say, I can't 50%. The amount, it's not any help. Idris Abdulkareem that. He fought 50%. This one has nothing happened live, alright? You don't get that kind of modules. Idris Abdulkareem, when he did that song, he got issue with Mr. President, which is Obasanjo himself. Because during the time he sing that song, he fought Jakarta. Idris Abdulkareem went to jail because of that song. To be specific with you. Was locked up for some time because Obasanjo wasn't, he not really like that song in government Nigeria. Because that time I knew him tell and the guy was making negative about Nigeria. So he said Obasanjo really took the person out of him. Alright? So he got over it and Idris Abdulkareem is still successful. Alright. Idris Abdulkareem get secret strategy what make him very successful. Number one, now in person, everybody knows that he's very stubborn. For in music, in the mention name. After Fela and Idris Abdulkareem, you know they hide mouth. You don't mention Two-Face name for music. You don't mention many politicians name. So you know they hide mouth. Everybody know. If you listen to that song of Ashawo, you will see I say mention everybody name for this part. All the entertainers and the politicians, you mention their name, say they are of Ashawo. So as a teacher, so you go talk for me. If you don't mention maybe Buhari for his son, you go talk say Mr. President. No. You go talk and say Buhari, this thing you are doing, we don't like it. Now only me, the Nigerian musician, will get that liver. Apart from Fela, and we know say he took after Fela. So Idris Abdulkareem is that he's someone that takes his personal, alright, they mention him, now people say we want for that. That is number one thing we say it is successful. Number two to make Idris Abdulkareem very successful for the Nigerian music industry. Just like I said, they are the starters. The people who first start something, they always get the attention from people. They attracted people. Go and listen to Shakomo. There's also carry rap for that place. He used rap, chew rap like a chew gum, carry and throw it. So and now one of the starters, right? And also everybody wants to say ambition with mention names. He mentioned name, he said as it is, he don't send anybody, alright, even to today, if you call him for sure, he will still cost president. You know they hide mouth, alright? That is number one strategy, and number two, and I want to request start this Afro pop in Nigeria. Now to make a different successful. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe to my YouTube page, comment and like my Facebook and my Instagram so you can get some of my videos, get more things while they do, alright? Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be right back. My name is Idris. Right.